gosh. Girl, I'm loving these nails. Like, these nails are amazing.
Hey guys, Rissa here with Culture Fuzz. Thank you so much for joining me back here in my channel. Before I get started on today's really exciting episode, if you could just do me two favors, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that bell notification so that you can be a part of the Fuzz family and always get notified when I put up new content. Alright guys, if you guys don't know by now, I absolutely love press-on nails. I love the convenience of them. I made a whole entire video about them and how to put them on and how they work, and I put the link down in the description box below. So if you're interested in that, make sure you check that out. So I was contacted by a lovely young woman by the name of Amber, who has a custom press-on nail company that goes by the name of Nails, Guts, and Glam. She has an Etsy shop. She specializes and she customizes all of her own press-on nails. So she reached out to me on Instagram and said, hey girl, I really liked your press-on nail video and I want to create a custom set for you. And I looked at her work. I admire people, especially women, who really go after what it is that they want, and I was just blown away by her work. So she sent me my own nails and they came in the mail, and I'm really excited, and I wanted to sit down with my Fuzz family and open the box with you guys. A little bit about the company before I go into it. Again, the name of her company is Nails, Guts, and Glam. Her Instagram is nails_guts_glam_, and she has an Etsy shop. It's etsy.com/shop/nailsgutsglam. The big reveal. I'm so excited. Okay. Open the box. Alright, and it's nicely packaged with some pink tissue paper for a nice touch. Her company is set in Maryland, or she's set in Maryland. This is where the package came from, so shout out Amber. I'm really excited to see what these will look like. Oh, also, by the way, for those who really like her work and are interested in getting some of her nails or getting some customized, there is a special discount code just for my Culture Fuzz family, so make sure you stay till the end of the video so you can get that code. This is the box that it came in. Really cute with a nice bow. I love the aesthetic. I love the little brand image that's going on. Nail, Guts, and Glam. Nice personal touch. This is her own personal work. She paints these. So this is not a good photo. She paints these by hand though. So this is the Flintstones. Like this, I'm just so impressed. I love this type of stuff. Like, I don't think we think about how much work it actually goes into making something like this. All right, guys, here we go. Big review. Okay, so, oh, this is awesome. So in other press-on nail kits, you get similar stuff like this. So it's a nice little netted bag. I love these little netted bags. I use these all the time, especially when I'm traveling and I'm carrying around jewelry. So what you get in this, you get a sticker. This is totally going on my journal because I freaking love to put stickers on my journal. You get the sticker decals where you can press on the nails instead of gluing them on. You get nail glue, which is awesome. I brought nail glue just in case because I was not sure. Get a file and a cuticle pusher. So you get the whole kit. You get all the aesthetics. Amber has you hooked up. She's looking out. She knows what's going on. All right, so that was on top, and then under. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first, here's the sketch. This is the sketch that she showed me, okay? And already I was like, oh man. So I'm completely blown away. So this isn't doing justice. I'm gonna have to take some photos, but like you can see, this is a portrait of me. This is my brand Culture Fuzz. This is some glittery nails. Like, this is girl. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm so freaking impressed, and I'm just touched that someone would even want to reach out to me and make little mini portraits on nails, and I cannot wait to rock these. So She wanted me to give an honest full review, and already off the bat, her customer service and communication is absolutely impeccable. She's excellent with following up. She got back to me with sketches within a week, and it took another week for her to actually create the nails and ship it, and I got it within like a couple of days. Her branding, the fact that it's all at home and it's all done by hand, I love her branding. I think that she has plenty of room to grow, and she makes her point very clear from the packaging to the experience, like all of it. I absolutely love it. So next I am going to do the fun part and actually try these on. I'm gonna glue one nail on so that I can see what her nail glue is like. But for right now, I'm just gonna use the decals that came with the package. Super cute. So I like them because they're thick. I already off the bat can see the thumb. I like the shape. I like the almond shape. I like that they're thick. They feel durable and they feel sturdy. And she did a nice job of putting a protective coat over her art, so you don't feel that you know, you're gonna like ruin it or anything like that. Get it scuffed. You know what I mean. I absolutely love the glittery nail polish. Like, she has me down to a T. Like, I'm all about glitz, and I'm all about the glam, and I'm all about the freaking give me glitter. If I have a choice of glitter, give me glitter. So I do like that. I'm not a huge fan of the sticker decals because it doesn't lay the nail completely flat, but if you were to put glue, like, I always measure my nail prior to gluing it on, but if you just measure down, it does lay down flat. Like, it looks like it does go down flat. I really do like that. It hugs my nail bed beautifully, girl, like beautifully. So with that one, because that one measures out really, really well, let's try the glue. Okay, so you twist it off. You do the other ones, you just twist the cap off, but this one, it's closed, so you're gonna need scissors to cut this open. Okay, so then you just, yep, see, and the glue got everywhere. So that's gonna suck, because that means glue is going to be all over these scissors. It's gonna get new scissors that lays down nicely. So that's the glue. It's not super alcohol-y and chemical-y, but it dries really quickly. Girl, I'm loving these nails. Like, these nails are amazing. She's got some on here, some pinky ones with a jewel on it. This one has like a jewel, you know? You know? Bam! That looks pretty good if you ask me, man. You know, and I have many options of what I want to wear on my thumb, and you have the jewels and the glitter and all of that. So honestly, I love how they lay. I love how they feel. I like the glue, like the packaging. I like the little nail kit that she sends. Honestly, guys, you guys need to hit her up. The promo code that I'm about to give you guys is only good for a limited time, so jump on it, hit her up, support a business, follow her on Instagram, follow her on Facebook. A little bit about Amber: she's been drawing nail art on herself for the last 8 years, but she's always loved drawing and sketching since she was in elementary school. She works in the medical field, so getting your nails done while in the medical field is completely frowned upon. All you can do is get like gel manicures. I used to work in the medical field, and nurses and stuff, they couldn't get full sets or have long nails. Not only for women who don't like to get their nails done, but they love to get their nails done and they're not able to. So press-on nails is a really good, fun, super versatile alternative to having your nails done and feeling feminine and feeling wonderful and beautiful. So she loves to micro paint as well. She just fell in love with it. So put the two and two together, and voila, Nails, Guts, and Glam has been born. So yeah. All right, my Fuzz family, thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. As promised, here is the promo code that is specifically for you guys, made for you guys, so you guys can get the incentives of being a part of this wonderful family. And the code is, yeah, man. I'll also leave it in the description of this YouTube video if you haven't already figured it out. I had to incentivize some of you guys to try and make it to the end of this video. But all in all, thank you so much for joining me. You can find all of Nails, Guts, and Glam's information down in the description box below, where you can order, you can contact her, you can DM her, all of that stuff. She does take customized requests, which I think is the huge winning factor compared to other competitive brands on IG that might be a lot bigger, have a bigger fan base, but she's able to give you that personalized attention and give you that personalized touch. And the customization component of this is phenomenal. It's fantastic. I don't know what the prices are. You'll definitely have to contact her, but you need to approach it as if you are commissioning someone to make a painting for you. Remember, she is doing this by hand, microly, with a tiny little small paintbrush. She's getting these details in, and the details are absolutely impeccable. So make sure you hit her up, show her some love. Let's open up a discussion in the comments. Tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't like. Let me know if you had any questions. Let's reach out, let's engage, because feedback from you guys will ultimately help her and her company grow and get better. And this is the type of community that I am trying to create, and it helps me get better. It helps me understand who's in my community, what questions to look out for, what kind of content that you guys want, and we can grow together. So if you don't know already, you can find Culture Fuzz on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and I have my own website. All of my social media handles are at Culture Fuzz. Twitter is at Culture Fuzz Fuzz. My Instagram is www.culturefuzz.com, where you can find all of my blog posts, articles, and all of these videos compacted into one small little website. Again, thanks so much for joining me, and I will catch you next time.